Looking for the best stereo amplifiers of 2025? Whether you're an audiophile, a music enthusiast, or just want to enhance your home sound system, we've got the top picks that deliver powerful sound, clarity, and performance. In today's countdown, we'll explore the top 5 stereo amplifiers that will elevate your listening experience. Stay tuned, and don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Onkyo A-9110 Home Audio Integrated Stereo Amplifier. Designed with audiophiles in mind, this amplifier offers fantastic sound quality at an affordable price. Boasting 50 watts per channel, it delivers clear and dynamic sound, ensuring your music comes to life. The A-9110 is equipped with high-quality components, including a custom-designed toroidal transformer, which helps to eliminate noise and distortion, resulting in a smooth, uncolored sound. Its compact design makes it an ideal choice for those with limited space, but it still provides ample power to drive most speakers with ease. Additionally, the amplifier features a range of input options, including line-in and a dedicated phono input for vinyl enthusiasts. For those seeking a reliable and high-quality amplifier without breaking the bank, the Onkyo A-9110 is an excellent choice. Its blend of performance, design, and affordability makes it a solid pick for your home audio setup. Coming in at number 4 is the YAMAHA RN303BL stereo receiver, a powerful and versatile unit that brings premium audio to your home. This receiver offers impressive connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and even a dedicated phono input for vinyl lovers, making it ideal for various music sources. With 100 watts per channel, the RN303BL delivers robust, dynamic sound that fills any room. The receiver is equipped with Yamaha's exclusive MusicCast technology, allowing you to stream music seamlessly from services like Spotify, Pandora, and Apple Music. The addition of Bluetooth connectivity means you can easily pair your phone or tablet for instant audio streaming, beyond its tech-savvy features. The RN303BL maintains Yamaha's commitment to high-quality audio performance, ensuring clean and clear sound. Its sleek, modern design and simple interface make it a great addition to any home setup. Whether you're a casual listener or a serious audiophile, the Yamaha RN303BL provides an all-in-one solution for your stereo needs. At number 3, we have the REGA Research Fono MK5 Fono Stage, an exceptional choice for audiophiles looking to elevate their vinyl listening experience. This phono stage is engineered with precision to deliver impeccable sound quality, making it a standout in its class. The Fono MK5 is designed to support moving magnet cartridges, providing a clean and natural amplification of your turntable's output. Its low-noise circuitry ensures that every detail of your music is preserved, with enhanced clarity and precision across the frequency spectrum. Whether you're playing a classic record or a new release, this phono stage brings out the best in your vinyl collection. What sets the Fono MK5 apart is its exceptional build quality and minimalist design, which ensures durability while maintaining an elegant aesthetic. The REGA Fono MK5 is a must-have for anyone who values rich, dynamic sound and wants to achieve a more authentic vinyl listening experience. Coming in at number 2 is the Denon PMA-600NE Stereo Integrated Amplifier, a powerhouse for any home audio setup. Designed for audiophiles seeking top-tier sound quality, this amplifier delivers an exceptional audio experience with its 70 W per channel output and advanced ultra-high current power technology. Whether you're listening to music through vinyl, CD, or digital sources, the PMA-600NE guarantees superior sound clarity and performance. What truly sets the Denon PMA-600NE apart is its versatility. It offers Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to easily stream music from your smartphone or tablet without the need for physical connections. Additionally, the built-in DAC, digital-to-analog converter, ensures that your digital sources are converted to analog with minimal distortion. While the Fono preamp gives you smooth, rich sound from your turntable, with analog mode for a purer sound, The Denon PMA-600NE is perfect for anyone looking for an amplifier that delivers power, precision, and ultimate convenience. Taking the top spot is the YAMAHA AS501BL Natural Sound Integrated Stereo Amplifier, a perfect combination of power, clarity, and sophistication for audio enthusiasts. With 85 W per channel, this amplifier delivers rich, dynamic sound that brings your music to life, whether you're listening to vinyl, CDs, or streaming digital content. Its high current design ensures powerful output while maintaining accuracy and precision, even at high volumes. The AS501BL also comes with Yamaha's signature natural sound technology, which emphasizes the authenticity of your music by delivering a wide frequency range and tonal balance. The amplifier features multiple input options, including optical and coaxial digital inputs, along with a Fono input for connecting your turntable. This makes it versatile and ready for all your audio equipment. For those seeking clean and crisp sound with exceptional build quality, the Yamaha AS501BL is a must-have. It's designed to elevate your listening experience, whether you're in a small space or outfitting a larger room. And that's a wrap on the top 5 stereo amplifiers of 2025. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. Let us know your favorite in the comments below. Thanks for watching.